We're here at 3026 project at the tent. We just finished up phase 1 shearing operations inside a cell. The waste that's coming out of the cell right now, we've up to 19 drums of waste. It is the waste from the phase 1 shearing operations of the Brock. A lot of the horizontal surfaces, some of the conduits. We've also taken out the tri-nuke system, which was a legacy water filter system that they used years ago to clean out the cell. Crews actually did a good job of taking that out whole and putting it into a B25 box. So that's some of that waste. It was our first high dose item to take out of the cell, which contributes to a reduction in the background in the cell. And that's kind of our overall goal, is to reduce the background of the cell, the contamination, the radiation, to get to demo. Just shipped some of the waste off, moved it off over to another area of the site where it's going to be prepared and packaged and shipped. Right now we've gone through and switched out the shear head to the saw blade, and we're starting to saw up the table inside the hot cell. There's some larger pieces of equipment. We're going to use the saw to cut off the base, and we're working to fly them out whole. And then we'll move back to the shear to take those items and fill them up and use them to put the cut up items in a drum. Then we'll move over to an air filtration system with the shear. That'll be the final shear item. And then we'll move on to the saw, where we use the saw to actually cut the stainless steel liner. And we'll use between the saw and the shear to shear and cut those up and get in the drum. And that'll be the last item we really process with the Brock. And then we'll kind of be done with the Brock work, and we'll move on to doing the final preps for demo.